welcome to my channel. Please help to like, subscribe, and share. Marketing 5.0 is a term that has been used to describe the latest evolution of marketing practices. It is characterized by a focus on customer experience, personalization, and the use of new technologies such as artificial intelligence and virtual reality. The concept of Marketing 5.0 builds on the previous 4 stages of marketing. 1. Marketing 1.0. This was the era of product-centric marketing, where companies focused on promoting the features and benefits of their products. 2. Marketing 2.0. With the advent of the Internet, companies began to shift their focus towards customer-centric marketing, using digital channels to interact with customers and build relationships. 3. Marketing 3.0. This stage was characterized by a focus on values-based marketing, where companies aimed to connect with customers on an emotional level by promoting their social and environmental responsibility. 4. Marketing 4.0. This stage saw the rise of digital transformation and the use of data and analytics to personalize marketing messages and improve customer experiences. Marketing 5.0 takes these trends to the next level by leveraging new technologies to deliver highly personalized experiences that are tailored to individual customers. It also focuses on building emotional connections with customers through storytelling and brand purpose. Some of the key elements of Marketing 5.0 include: 1. Customer experience. Companies must focus on delivering exceptional customer experiences that are personalized and relevant to individual customers. 2. Personalization. Advances in technology, such as AI and machine learning, allow companies to deliver highly personalized marketing messages and experiences. 3. Storytelling. Companies must use storytelling to build emotional connections with customers and communicate their brand purpose. 4. Technology. Companies must embrace new technologies, such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and chatbots, to deliver innovative and engaging experiences. Overall, Marketing 5.0 represents a shift towards a more customer-centric and personalized approach to marketing that leverages new technologies to build emotional connections with customers and deliver exceptional experiences. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.